Hi, it's Graeme here from Hunters. We are into the third week of January, and it seems like an appropriate time to do a bit of a market update and let you know what's happening with house sales prices and all things property. So if we think back to last year, end of September, that crazy economic budget from Liz Truss, the markets got spooked and we saw the mortgage market go into turmoil. We lost half the deals out there, fixed mortgages were withdrawn. Now, when they did come back, we saw them coming back with availability at quite expensive prices, late 6% to try and secure one of those mortgages. The effect of that is that there really was an impact, and sales did slow down. Stock coming to the market slowed down at the end of last year. And it led the media to predict that we were going to see 20-30% price reductions as we came into 2023. So how's that worked out? Well, let's look at the mortgages to start with. Now, the good news is mortgages are back and really freely available. And from being at the late 6%, I can tell you the best 5-year deal for a first-time buyer at the moment, just checked this morning, 4.67%. That's really tumbled down from where we were. If you've got a bit of equity and you're a home mover, you're getting rates at 4.18. The best rate for a tracker mortgage currently, 3.14% this morning. Now, these are really good, affordable mortgages, and that's made a massive difference. So what about those 20-30% price hikes, price falls, should I say? Well, we're seeing no evidence of it so far as we come into 2023. In fact, Rightmove, who have just released their figures, have said that asking prices have increased across the UK in January. Now, that follows from small decreases in December and November, but the confidence is definitely coming back. Now, the other things that the government were telling us, and the thing that's been affecting, the confidence in the market, is we were going to go into recession. Well, we haven't. November, we saw a little bit of growth in the economy, and it's just been released that in December, the economy grew. So that is a really good news story. And when we look at inflation rates, they've also now come down in 2 consecutive months, and they are widely predicted to be more or less half of their current rates when we get into the mid part of 2023. So house price falls of 20-30%, way wide of the mark. Our data in Cumbria and our sales across that county and into Dumfries and Galloway, we are probably seeing about a 2 to 3% price reduction, which is really marginal. And if you've got a really nice house and it's well marketed, we're still getting well above guide prices on a lot of properties. The one residual thing that has lasted is the confidence thing. The media are very good at putting out negative stories. Those are the ones that get the clicks. They're not that good at putting out the positive stories. And you may have to go and search to find out the mortgage market is healthy. You may have to search that actually the economic forecast is looking a lot better. But the residual effect is that we still are not seeing enough properties coming onto the market, as a lot of sellers are still sitting out and waiting. What I can tell you is there's a ready market. We've got buyers waiting. Property prices, okay, they are slightly corrected, but you're not really going to notice any effect of that if you've been in your property for the last couple of years. So if you'd like a valuation, if you want up-to-date market advice, please do get in touch with our teams across Cumbria and Scotland. We'd be glad to try and help. And equally, if you're interested in trying to source a really good competitive mortgage, we'd be glad to help you with that too. Thanks very much. I'm not finishing with thanks very much.